Hello vote so welcome back to the channel. So currently vote is actually up on a massive explosion right now, and this actually came in after 24 hours of the world actually came down, where the vote was actually on a dip in the last 24 hours, and right now vote is actually trying to gain up its ground again and try to beat up the market right now. So in this particular video, I will give you the latest update on vote, what is going on the vote, and what you need to know in the next 1 week about votes. Alright, now, so welcome back to my channel, and this is Epion Plug. So if you are new here, do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you get this information very useful for you, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you will be notified when I drop a new video also. Alright, so I'll be moving straight to the Twitter handle right now. Before I go into the place, there's something I actually love about this particular vote on, which is the developer. They are updating, like developer of this particular token are actually updating the market. They are giving us updates back to back. There are things that are actually happening. So this is one of the cathedral and characteristics of a good coin or a good token that is going to be lasting longer and making me more a millionaire in the future. So that is something you have to put at the back of your mind. But remember, this is for information and entertainment purpose only. So do well to make more research directly on your own. So the volume of this particular token is actually down a little, and I will tell you why. The reason why the volume keep going down a little seems to say now that the coin is actually back to the state and trying to gain up ground, a lot of people are actually going to be trying to gain in profits and you'll be selling. So that's basically some ways to actually earn more from a platform. And I said there are two ways: there are long time go and there are short time go. So what people are actually doing now for the volume to actually come down is actually a short time go. When you buy at the dip, and when the coin actually comes in, once you get your 2x or a x or 3x, you sell a little and you buy again when it comes to dip. So that is short time go. But long time go is actually when you invest for years, you actually leave your money there. No matter how happen, the downfall is just there, is experiencing everything, and so you are just bagging more. When it is done, you are bagging more. That's the long distance stuff. So it depends on the one you want to do. So you can actually decide directly on your own, because I'm not a financial advisor, I'm a coin researcher. So right now I'll be showing you the order of vote right now before I go to the Twitter handle. And vote order actually keep increasing, as you can see, day by day. So now we are already about 20. We've passed 20k, 20,000 orders right now. I think we should be up to 22,000 right now, if I'm not actually wrong about that. So let's move to the Twitter handle and let's check the latest update we have right in. So do not forget, if you have a comment, if you have something you want us to know about this particular token or your experience within it, you can just go ahead to the comment section and drop your comment right here. I'm going to attend to it. I'm going to reply as much as possible I could. So right now, this is voting, and voting is actually on a mission. So voting is actually on a mission, which is actually talking about the massive information and the massive explosion that is coming out on vote right now. So in the developer actually talking about March, they are emphasizing about March. They've been emphasizing about March since yesterday, and I already make a video about that also. A lot is actually going to be coming on in the next month, which is the month of March, and during that time I think votes should be about 3 months or 3 months plus by then. So that's a great improvement. They say we will vote, what means it's going to that a lot of improvement, and the vote is actually going to escalate right now. Sorry about that. If you have not subscribed, do well to hit the subscribe button. You are helping us to grow up together. We are about to reach 2,000 subscribers just like this, and we can't do it alone without you. So thanks so much. I really appreciate you guys. I really love your connection and whatever you are doing on this particular channel. Thanks for watching the video. And there's a lot of information that are actually going on vote, but currently the main update for now seems to say the vote is actually back to its state, and our biggest buyback has just been completed. So the buyback that I actually make video about before now is already completed right there. So the process is actually coming. That's one of the main reasons why the coin is actually coming up again. And I said after the buyback, a lot of improvements is actually going to be happening on vote. So that is part of it that's actually happening right now, and time to think about the next one. So they are going to be thinking about the next one, and we don't know where it's going to be. Maybe if they reach like 50,000 orders right there, maybe that's when the buyback is actually going to come in. So a token that actually has great potential just like this, and if you want to make money on this, you have to be patient. Patience is the key. But remember, do not be greedy, invest wisely. So thanks so much for watching this particular video, and I love you all guys. Peace out. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye. Ciao ciao.